We got happy feet because we're heading towards the train. We're going up in the mountains on the train. Right past the Yukon Railway.
Hi guys, how you doing?
We're riding on the caboose.
Hi guys, welcome aboard. Woo. It's like we're in Alaska or something.
Thank you. And once we get through Skagway, we can smoke.
Absolutely, and I would recommend it.
Yes.
It's the best part of the whole train.
All aboard. Yep, there's the ship. It's still there.
Position to go out in the back.
Yes.
You can go out there and get cold all your life.
All right, good.
Today we go up to the White Pass Summit, which is milepost 20.4. That is the border between the United States and Canada. We do actually cross very briefly into British Columbia today, but since we don't get off the train at any point, we don't have to go through customs, we don't need our passports, which is great. That will ruin a trip very fast. You will, however, get to say that you went to Canada. Also, the 20 miles from Skagway up to the top of the pass, certainly the most dramatic of our entire line. Some of my favorite scenery of the entire world, so I'm expecting a pretty nice ride here today. Running tourist excursions. At that point now, we only run from May to September, only taking passengers and only operating in the summer months. Looking to the right there or to the left, your left. The shops, the number 73 parked out front there, kind of fun to see. We'll see if we can't catch it on the way back too. Our railroad is a private railroad. We don't connect with anybody else. Nobody else uses our tracks. So everything you see today that has to do with trains or railroading, all the White Pass and Yukon Railroad. But we are a big business now. I believe last season we took 400,000 people on our train from May to September. So yes, big operations. Section of our track. Our engineers often like to highball through here. So just know that the rocking motion will increase. If that is uncomfortable for you as far as moving about, just wait about 5 minutes and we'll slow back down. But I also wanted to let you know about food and beverage today. All complimentary here in the luxury car, of course. But the way I like to run it is sort of a help yourself type thing. There's some just snacks up here for you. I also have beer, wine, and sodas behind the bar. If you need anything, just let me know. I'm usually back behind the bar. There's nothing back here that I can't get for you. But so you are prepared mentally for when you come up here. We do have some venison sausage here with cheese, as well as some smoked salmon on bagels with cream cheese. I've got some crab dip here, little edible pastries, and behind that some hummus and vegetables. And here, my favorite, rhubarb. Actually, it's rhubarb with basil and goat cheese. Really, really tasty. If you like rhubarb, you have to eat it because I'll finish it off and I'm not supposed to.
And we're breezing along here. Got some speed up.
Gold was found about 600 miles from Skagway, the Yukon Territory in Canada, a place called the Klondike region. So all these naive Americans coming into Canada during the wintertime unprepared, they felt like they were going to exhaust all the Canadian resources.